3 important foods to support your health during menopause. Let's go. Number 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These contain omega-3 to fight inflammation, boost mood, and support brain and heart health. Number 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli, are packed with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K to protect bones and steady mood swings. Number 3. Flax seeds, tiny but mighty, full of phytoestrogens and omega-3. Sprinkle on oatmeal or on smoothies to reduce hot flashes. Quick tips: stay hydrated, exercise daily, cut back on caffeine, cut back on sugar. Menopause can be challenging, but you are not alone. Try these for a week and see what changes. Comment below and share what works for you. Want more menopause hacks? Hit like and subscribe for weekly tips.